one of the things we talk about here on this channel is, making sure that you understand your path, your vision, have a vision, but also know that you're not going to get there in a straight line, right? There could be, different steps that you have to take along the way in order for you to ultimately get there. But don't be afraid to take those steps, because ultimately, if your mind is on the vision, if you see that vision, you're going to ultimately get there, right? And I love that you actually said that. And one of the things I want you to hit on, right, because it triggered something. There are a lot of people going through tech layoffs right now. You hear it all over the board.
Yeah.
Walmart, Amazon, Twitter. Who was the other one that just laid off 10,000? Whether it was Microsoft or so forth. All these tech companies are now laying people off. And what's your thought process on how these guys can bounce back really fast? Because you were in that same situation early, right? You got told you're not going to have a job. You became very vulnerable. What nuggets will you give to the people who have experienced this traumatic event? That's what we're going to call it, from being laid off in a tech company, because these guys are making hundreds of thousands of dollars and now their life is impacted. What feedback would you give to individuals who are in that situation right now? What's up, ladder climbers? I wanted to interrupt this video today to tell you guys about the Patreon. Join the Patreon, guys. For $23.99 a month as a professional Patreon member, you get access to me, who is a professional career coach. Guys, if you booked a professional career coach one time, you're going to be spending, for one interview or for one consultation, you're going to be spending more than you would actually pay for a full year in the professional Patreon. You not only get access to me as a professional career coach, you get access to Google certifications so that you can enter the IT market with the skills that you need. You not only get access to Google certifications, you get access to the Black IT community, which is a powerful community of over 90 individuals who are in the IT space, have all sorts of backgrounds, and that can help to motivate you, keep you motivated so that you can accomplish those goals that you want to accomplish. Become part of the Patreon today, guys. Check it out. See the link in the description.
Yeah. One of the first things that I would share is getting folks to understand that life is filled with seasons, and you're going to have seasons of prosperity. You're going to have seasons of lack. You're going to have seasons of turmoil. You're going to have seasons of peace and chaos. You're going to have seasons of the whole entire gamut of not only emotions, but situations. What we want to have is a foundation that allows you to endure and persevere, a part of the nuggets that we write about in our story in the book, through the season regardless, and be grateful of whatever season you're in. A lot of folks, they lose sight of, you know what, don't have as much money as I used to have right here. I mean, I remember last year we were doing X and money was good and opportunities were profound and everything was happening and it was just flowing and things were good. Well, you have to also understand that there's going to be a season of lack, and you have to prepare for that. You have to understand you need to prepare for those rainy days. I know everyone's heard that. You got to prepare for a rainy day. We love to save. We love to prepare, because you're not always going to make as much money as you're making now. Neither am I. Everybody out there, money's good. Money's good. Money's good. But for other folks right now, money is not so good. And it's not about the money. It's about money is a tool. All that is a tool that allows you to do what it is you really want to do and have been called to do. I like to think of, AJ, money is an accelerator. And for the folks that are chasing money, I would ask you to think about that journey for a second. Money is an accelerator. And what I mean by that is this: if you are a kind person with no money, when you come into money, you're going to be even a more kind and extraordinary person. If you are a jerk with no money and you come into money, you are going to be what I call a clown and a bigger jerk with money, because it's just an accelerator. That's all money is. And you think about it. Look at the folks in the world. Look at some of the richest people on the planet. Some of them are jerks. Some of them are givers. Look at them. I mean, they're in every industry, and I won't call them by name, because depending on who people like, they know who they are. But I bet you can identify 3 people that are givers, that have millions and billions of dollars.
Yep.
I bet you can also, on the second hand, think of 3 people who are absolute jerks and clowns that have billions of dollars. So it's simply an accelerator. I would say chase purpose, don't chase money, because your purpose is going to give you every single thing, the relationships, the opportunities. That's what I would say. Prepare, because it's seasonal. Life is filled with seasons. And regardless of the season, the nugget that I want folks to take away as we spend this time together is understand that you need that smooth journey of peace and calmness. And that can only be given to you if you know whose you are and you know who you are. And I would say search for that, because regardless of the storm, when you know who you are, and that I'm a child of God and I'm unapologetic Christian about that, I know who I am. I know what he's called me to do, and I will continue to operate in that when times are great, when times are not so good, when things look like they're headed in a different direction. Doesn't matter. I know who I am, and I am an unapologetic Christian, and I'm here to serve through the purpose and the power and the gifts that he gave me.
I love that. I love that. So tell me this, Harold, right? Because falling into and understanding who you are as a person takes a lot of self-reflection. You know what? And a lot of people don't want to look in the mirror. They don't want to look in the mirror at all. It's hard to do such a thing. You know what?
Yeah.
I am lazy. I don't like hard work. I don't want to work in that construction site to become a lawyer. I don't want to work in the construction site to become a VP or a CEO of a company. I don't want to do it, but I want to make the money. How would you encourage individuals to find out who they really are? You found your purpose. I think I found mine. Over the last couple of years, it's become very clear what I'm really good at and what I'm passionate about. And it's helped me to be my authentic self as well, too, which has helped me to make the money that I wanted to make, the accelerator. But also what that is I don't have to be here on the Saturday giving back every Saturday to help individuals to gain success in their life, right? That's the kindness part. But how would you say that